Hi guys, my name is Lally and this is Bertie, and we are coming to you today with this Lana Del Rey There's a Tunnel Under Ocean Boulevard makeup and hair tutorial. All of the products that I have used will be listed down below in the description as per usual, and I will also put a link of where you can stream Lana Del Rey's new amazing album There's a Tunnel Under Ocean Boulevard. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see what we come up with next. You can also leave me a comment and tell me what you want to see next, because I don't know celebrities and you guys probably do. But without rambling on, let's get into it. The primer I'm using is the Revolution Pro Blur Stick. I really like this because it's quite dry and it's also quite mattifying, but not in like a crispy way. Now I'm taking the Complexion Lasting Perfection Concealer, and it's a bit too pink for me. I'm not going to tell you the colour because there's no point, you need a different colour to me maybe. But it's just a bit pinker because that's the opposite end of the spectrum to like grey shadows. So I can just like lift out these shadows a bit easier. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid. I like this because it's good for maturing skin, but it's not too dewy. And I'm going in with the Maybelline Eraser Concealer just to brighten up the center of my face and also to kind of make my jawline a little bit more prominent. I'm going to take the MAC Stone Lip Liner just to map out the nose contour that I want. So I'm going to take that from just under the third of my brow, and then I want to take it up onto the bridge in a triangle, and then line up the middle around the tip, and then also around the nostril up onto the bridge, and then we can just do some shading. Then I'm just going to take a push liner brush to blend. And then I'm just going to go over that contour with my foundation brush with the residue of my foundation. And I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo pencil in white, and I'm just going to highlight the edges and down the middle of the bridge. Definitely get underneath the eyebrows. And then I'm just going to do like a little pi symbol, you know, the mathematical symbol on the end of my nose, a little bit on the sides and underneath the eyes, again using my foundation brush. And now I'm going to take the Levion Glow palette, and I'm going to take the colour After Love, which is this greyish bronzer, and I'm going to go over the contour colour that I've just used. And what that's going to do is it's going to let the contour move with the light, which is going to make it look more like your bone structure and not like makeup. See how that's already, like I need to blend it, but do you see how the contour now moves? It's not like a static contour anymore. And then using the same palette, I'm just going to take the lightest colour, which is Sundust, and just do a dot on my tip and then up the centre. I'm just going to take a little bit of Back to Bronze by L'Oreal and go over the bronzer. I'm going to take the Revolution Cream Bronzer, and I'm just going to go around my hairline because I've got like quite a massive forehead. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a contour. It's obvious that she doesn't really have much of a contour in the pictures, but I am going to do mine. I'm going to take this Real Techniques detailer brush, and I don't know if it's still available, but it's amazing for like creating a cleft chin because of the shape of it. So now I'm just going to take that same Jumbo pencil, NYX Jumbo pencil, and I'm just going to highlight a little more, like do my chin and then my jawline, just up on my cheeks a little bit to give myself a bit more roundness in the cheeks, and then a little bit on the forehead in the center. I'll use a beauty blender to blend that out. Now taking that grey bronzer again, I'm just going to do my cleft. I'm going to take that lightest colour again and just go over the highlights. We're going to matte all of this out with some powder because obviously her skin's very matte, but I'm just trying to get a nod to her bone structure with this makeup. I'm obviously not going to look like her, but just a bit of a vibe. So now I'm taking the Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm just going to set underneath my eyes. So I'm using the Revolution Reloaded Iconic 3.0 palette, and I'm going to take this colour here, which is just like a neutral, and I'm going to go all over my lid and up into my brow bone. And then I'm going to use this greyish kind of neutral, which is colour number 9. Yeah, 9. I'm just going to go into my crease a tiny bit, and I'm just going to blend that out. Oh, this is the Back to Bronze by L'Oreal again. So I'm going to use Life's a Peach as a little bit of blusher, but not much because she doesn't have much blusher on. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift Pencil. Just brush through my brows. So I'm just taking the Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day eyeliner, and I'm just going to come down from my lash line a little bit and make a little line. And then I want my wing to kind of point towards my temple, not towards my brow. Coming off that. It's so dry, I need to buy a new one. I'm just going to use my MAC Stone pencil to line my lower lash line and create a little bit of a shadow there to look like I've got a heavy set of lashes. This is a Marilyn Monroe trick. Pop a little bit of white against the wing, and I'm going to also line my waterline with this white pencil. Just going to curl my eyelashes. Now I'm just using the Maybelline Lash Sensational to do my lashes. So now I'm using Eyelure's 3/4 length lashes. They are the 005 number and some Lash Duo. I'm just going to let the lash glue go a little bit tacky. I do know that my top is technically the wrong colour, but I wanted to recreate the album, well, one of the album lead photographs, is that the right word? So that's why it had to be pink. But I'm not obviously going to get my wabs out, so that's why I'm wearing a similar bra to what she's wearing in all the pictures. I just want to drop those onto the ends. I'm going to take L'Oreal's Beige Nude Lip Pencil, and I'm just going to overline my bottom lip. She's got like a lovely fat bottom lip. And then I want to make my cupid's bow a little bit more shallow, but generally line within my lip line. So now I'm going to use Maybelline's 987 Smoky Rose lipstick. Smush those together. Now I'm going to spray my entire mush with Maybelline's Lasting Fix. So we're going to take a little piece out from the middle right. That's way too much. And then on the left, we want to take some from the temple. Not even the temple, just like the head bit. I don't know what that's called, whatever. By the way, I'm back combing my hair with a Denman comb. I just back combed my hair and then I just pinned it. It's a bit bumpy actually. I don't like the bumpiness of it, but whatever. Where I've got like a dolphin forehead, styles with height, a lot of height, just don't suit me, so I wasn't ever expecting this to look nice on me. So I've got this new Fabulous curling thing, so let's see how it works. Ooh, these are some good curls. I love it. It does kind of rip your hair out a tiny bit, but like it's good. Get this bow from Amazon. We want it to be quite high up. I hope I'm not going to ruin all of my hair trying to put this in. I feel so pretty. Don't worry, Bertie's gone. He's in the other room now, so I'm not spraying hairspray with my dog. Alright, well thank you so much for watching. I hope you learn how to get this Lana Del Rey style There's a Tunnel Under Ocean Boulevard hair and makeup. If you did follow this video along, show me your results on Instagram at LallyBurns. I would love to see. Leave me a comment down below, give me a like if you enjoyed the video, and give me a subscribe if you want to see what I come up with next. You can also give me a comment to tell me what you want to see next. As I've mentioned in previous videos, I don't really know celebrities, so if you want to see someone, like, you can just pop that down below and I'll check them out and see what I can do. And other than that, I want to thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Mwah.